Welcome. Is your Gmail acting up? Don't worry. We've got you covered with this updated guide on how to fix Gmail when it's not working. Let's get started and get you back on track. First, try the simplest solution. Close the Gmail app and reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches and refresh the application. If you're using Gmail in a web browser, close the browser and then reopen it before navigating back to Gmail. Next, check your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection is a common reason for Gmail issues. To check your connection on most devices, open your settings and click on the network icon. Ensure you are connected to your Wi-Fi or mobile data network and that you have a strong, stable signal. If you're using a router, try resetting it by turning it off, waiting a few minutes, and then turning it back on. Now, let's check your network. Sometimes the issue might not be your internet connection, but your device's network settings. Make sure your device is not in airplane mode and that Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure you have them handy. If Gmail is still not working, it's time to restart your device. Restarting can clear out temporary files and processes that might be interfering with Gmail. Whether you're on a computer, smartphone, or tablet, a simple restart can often do the trick. After your device is restarted, open the Gmail app again. In many cases, this will resolve the issue, and you'll be back to sending and receiving emails without any problems. If you're still experiencing problems, there are a few more things you can try. Clear the Gmail app's cache and data. This can help remove corrupted files that may be causing issues. You can also check if there's an update available for the Gmail app and install it. An outdated app can sometimes have compatibility issues. If all else fails, try removing your Google account from your device, and then re-add it. This can refresh the connection between your device and Google servers. We hope this updated guide helps you fix your Gmail issues and gets you back to managing your emails smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.